Alright, so we're going to see how easy it is to use the timing chain guide here. So you can see the zip ties. You don't want to cut the zip ties. Zip ties are used when you're cutting the chain. I'm not going over cutting the chain because it should be pretty obvious what to do. You're going to stuff a bunch of rags everywhere, cover up the engine as best as possible, and keep that from, you want to keep any debris out of the engine. Give ourselves a fighting chance to not drop this snap ring, these tiny snap rings down in the crankcase. This is literally going to be as simple as turning this engine over to select the new chain in. Once you get enough of the chain fed out, it'll start dropping itself. If you wanted this to be easier, it'd be a good time to take out the spark plugs. There you have it, timing chain, much faster than vice grips. I'll be seeing if I can get Kent to stock these at Mercedes Source. I am not a great warehousing and distribution person, so these will be on my website, but I would prefer you purchase them from Kent because they have full-time shipping staff. Okay, bye.